Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Shikha Sambarkar and today our topic is Computer Network Part 14. Under this, there is a subtopic Network Devices Part 3 and under this, today we will discuss about switch and repeater. Yes, these two network devices, switch and repeater. So this video is helpful for class 12 CBSE students, those who have opted computer science and informatics practices as an optional subject, and other students, those who are interested in this computer network field, they also can watch the video. So let's start our topic. Here you can see two images are given. Left side you can see one black box, that is switch. That image is showing the switch. And right side you can see one device, that is repeater. So I have included these two images here so that you can understand how the devices looks like, switch and repeater. Left side you can see switch and right side repeater. Here we will start with our first topic, switch. Yes, you can see there are some images are given which are showing the switches. In the third image you can see 5 port switch, 24 port switch, 48 port switch. So this switch are visually generally available in 5 ports, 8 ports, 10 ports, 16 ports, 24 ports, 28 ports, 48 ports. So these are this switch is actually multi-port device, multi-port network device. It is also called data link layer device. So these images are here you can see and you can identify. One more image is here. Actually there are three images, all are showing the same concept, that twisted pair cable is attached with this device switch. You can see twisted pair cables are attached with this device. As I have told you that this switch is a data link layer device. So what's its meaning? For that I have included one topic here, OSI. OSI, it stands for Open System Interconnection. Actually this OSI is a reference model that describes how information from a software application in one computer moves through a physical medium to the software application in another computer. So this OSI model, it's just a reference model. It's just a reference model. You can see the pics here, and there are 7 layers. 7 layers. It consists of 7 layers, and each layer performs a particular network function. And this is actually a different topic, but I have included this one slide here related to OSI model because our switch is a data link layer a network device. You can see at the bottom side the second layer it's showing the data link layer. So this switch is a data link layer and the repeater is a physical layer device. Physical. At the bottom side of the device you can see physical layer and data link layer. So at the physical layer, that repeater we will see in the next slides. Repeater is a physical layer device and this switch is a data link layer device. So this is the model. You can see the left side image and right side image also. Both are the same images. Both images are showing the same concept here. One more image I have included here so that you can understand the concept of data link layer. So the data link layer prepares network data for the physical network. You can see this second layer is a data link layer. From the bottom side, first is physical layer, then second is data link layer. So you can understand here that the data link layer prepares network data for the physical network. Here some points are given related to switch. We will see here. First is A switch is a device that is used to segment networks into different subnetworks called subnets or LAN segments. A switch is a device that is used to segment networks into different subnetworks, and that is called subnets. So generally, actually this switch is used in LAN. LAN means local area network. LAN is local area network. This switch is used in LAN. And second point is here, segmenting the network into smaller subnets prevents traffic overloading in a network. Segmenting means nothing but just we are dividing a network into two parts, and for that we are using switch here. A switch can be used to connect multiple hosts. A switch can be used to connect multiple hosts means PCs, to the network. Unlike a hub, switch forward a message to a specific host. Unlike a hub, switch forwards a message to a specific host. And in case of hub forwards a message to all the hosts. This is the difference between switch and hub. And switch, it's an intelligent device rather than a hub. And last point here, LANs that are segmented through switches are called switched LANs. LANs that are segmented through switches are called switched LANs. In case of Ethernet LANs, they are called switched Ethernet LANs. I have discussed about Ethernet in my previous video. You can watch that video to know the concept of Ethernet. So these are the points here. Now, how a switch functions, how it works. You can see one image is here. First one PC, it is written there, data sent by one node. One node means one PC, one workstation. So data sent by one node, and switch is attached there, and the right side you can see data is forwarded only to the destination node. So this is the difference between switch and hub. Hub will forward the data to all the nodes, but switch will forward only to the destination node. So this is switch. So here some points are given to insulate the transmission. Insulate means we can say to prevent the transmission. To insulate the transmission from the other ports, the switch establishes a temporary connection between the source and destination. The switch establishes a temporary connection between the source and destination and then terminates the connection once the conversation is done. A switch would be like a telephone line, or we can say it's like a switch would be like a phone system with private lines in place of the hub's party line. So this is the difference between hub and switch. Now, the second topic of this video is repeater. You can see some images are here. These images are showing how the repeater looks like. You can see these images. Repeater, it's a physical layer device. Here some points are given related to repeater. First is, it is a hardware device used to extend a local area network. It is used to extend a local area network. Second point, repeaters operate only on the physical layer. As we have seen in that slide OSI model, we have seen the physical layer, that first layer, and repeaters operate only on physical layer, that is first layer of the OSI model. It regenerates the weak signal and increases the range of the network. So it is used to strengthen the signals. We can say it regenerates the weak signal and increase the range of the network. So these are the points related to repeater. Here you can see the working of repeater. Left side and right side, two images are given here. Both are showing the same concept. Repeater is used to connect the networks. Repeater, you can see how it's working here. left side image, one repeater is there, and two networks connected with hub, and the hub is connected with repeater. So how the repeater works here, you can see, and right side image also, repeater is connected here to strengthen the signals in a network. Now again there are some points are given related to repeater. First is, a repeater is a network device that amplifies and restores signals for long distance transmission. And second point, a repeater is a device that amplifies a signal being transmitted on the network. Third point, it is used in long network lines which exceed the maximum rated distance for a single run. Fourth point, over distance the cables connecting a network lose the signal transmitted. If the signal degrades too much, it fails to reach the destination, or if it does arrive, the degradation of the message makes it useless. Repeaters can be installed along the way to ensure that data packets reach their destination. Repeaters are used or it is installed to ensure that data packets reach their destination safely or not. So this is the reason this repeater is used to strengthen the signal. The only use of this repeater is just to strengthen the signal. Now, types of repeater. Here you can see repeaters are of two kinds, amplifier and signal repeater. The first only amplifies all incoming signals over the network. The first one, amplifier repeater, it only amplifies all incoming signals over the network. Amplifies, we can say here, it regenerate all incoming signals over the network. However, it amplifies both the signal and any concurrent noise. And the second type collects the inbound packet and then retransmits the packet as if it were starting from the source station. The second type, it collects the inbound packet and then retransmits the packet as if it were starting from the source station. So this is these two types, amplifier and signal repeater. Now this is another device, it is called extender. Nowadays it is available in the market. So this is also, we can say, same like a repeater, but it's not a repeater, it's an extender. There are so many different kind of extenders are available. So I have included this because it is also used to strengthen a signal or to extend the area. So this is also a kind of this is also a kind of device, extender. This is just for your knowledge. So we have discussed about switch and repeater here. Switch that is a data link layer device, and repeater is a physical layer device. So I hope this video is helpful for you all. Please like, share, comment and subscribe this YouTube channel presented by Shikha Samarkar. Thank you.